Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a Bentley Continental GT. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries, so please take a moment to gather your essential safety equipment. Always ensure both vehicles are turned off and positioned safely apart before you begin the jump starting process. This careful preparation helps prevent any accidental electrical surges or injuries. Now, let's find the correct jump points on your Bentley. Pop open the hood and look for a designated positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. For the negative connection, you'll need to find a sturdy, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis to ensure a good ground connection. Avoid connecting directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With your jump points identified, it's time to connect the cables. First, securely attach one red positive clamp to your Bentley's positive jump terminal. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the assisting vehicle's negative battery terminal. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to the unpainted metal ground point on your Bentley. Once all cables are securely connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Bentley's battery. After this time, try starting your Bentley Continental GT. Once it starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order: negative from the Bentley, then negative from the assisting car, followed by positive from the assisting car, and finally positive from the Bentley. Let your Bentley run for at least 20 minutes to help recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.